Cyber breaches happen every day. When they do, you need to be ready. How you respond can significantly affect the outcome. Are you ready? Our one-day intensive breach response workshop includes a hair-raising breach simulation. The workshop materials include many ready-made templates. We help you to identify your company's most likely cyber breaches and demonstrate how you would create your own breach playbook. We work through vital preparation for your cyber breach readiness, helping you to identify roles and responsibilities, guiding you through the breach workflow. The Cyber Breach Response Workshop from IP Performance. Are you ready?